Thousands and thousands of Americans suffer and are scared to go to the dentist because they've had a bad experience when they were younger, or they've got tooth pain. You come in and see us, we'll make it very comfortable, very relaxed for you. We don't criticize you if you haven't been to the dentist for 5 or 10 years. That's not my place. My place is to help you, and we will help you be comfortable in our office, from our massaging chairs to our relaxation music. And if you need sedation, we provide oral conscious sedation. We have nitrous oxide gas, and we even have an MD anesthesiologist who will come in and give you an IV and put you in a twilight sedation mode so that you really won't feel or think of anything other than sleeping during the procedure. So please give us a call for a free consultation. Let me sit with you and talk to you about what we can do to help your smile, and I look forward to seeing you soon. And check out the rest of the videos here on our library.